Hello dear students, welcome to all students who are preparing for banking examinations. Here is a question on seating arrangement. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are placed in a circle at equidistance facing center. No two neighboring numbers are even. Two numbers are there between 2 and 3. Sum of only one pair of opposite numbers is 6. Only one number is 4 times the opposite number. 4, 5 are not neighboring numbers. Greatest and least numbers are neighboring numbers. Right side number of 2 is greater than left side number. 8 clues are given here. Now let us see the solution. The hints which are given in the sum are written in the short form like this. This you can write in your own way. Now the first hint is even numbers are not neighbors. That means no two even numbers should come in neighboring. If I write even number here, then this must be next even number and this must be next even number. This must be next even number. Now the remaining are odd numbers. Coming to here, if I write same thing I have to write here also. Even, odd, 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 odd. I am making two circles ready. Now, there are two numbers between 2 and 3. Let us see this next. Now, both sides arrows means opposite numbers. Sum of opposite numbers is 6 in one pair. There are 4 pairs, out of them one pair of opposite numbers is 6. So here if I write 1, either 1 and 5 opposite numbers must be, or 2 and 4. 3 can't come here. If I write 3 here also I have to write 3. That is not possible. Only 1, 3 we have. So with which hint we have to start the problem? That depends on the problem and it varies from problem to problem. Now there are two options, 1 and 5 or 2 and 4. So let me take 1 and 5 here. 1 and 5. 2 and 4 here. 2 and 4. The next hint is here. This number means opposite numbers. 4 times its opposite number. So if I write here 1, then here I have to take 4. If I take 2 here, then I have to take 8 here. 3 is not possible. 3 4s are 12. Now, 1 and 4. It is not possible here because opposite to 1, 5 is already there. So must be 2 and 8 is possible here. So where to write 2 and where to write 8? Let us see. Coming to this picture. 1 and 4 is not possible because already opposite to 4, 2 is there. And 2 and 8 also not possible because already opposite to 2, 4 is there. So this picture is not possible. Coming to here, 4 and 5 are not neighbors. Already 5 is there. We cannot write 4 here or here. Then where can I write 4? Either here we can write or here we can write. Two options are there. Now, the greatest number is neighbor to least number. That means 1 and 8 are neighboring numbers. Already 1 is there. So 8 must come either here or here. So these two places must be occupied with 8 or 4. If I write 8 here, 4 will come here. If 4 here, 8 will come here. So these two places are over. Now Coming to 2. The greatest number must come in the right side of 2 and the smaller number to this must come in the left side of the 2. And these two we can connect and see. Between 2 and 3, 2 numbers must come. So for 2, there are 2 places left, this and this. If I take 2 here, then where 3 must come? 2 after 2 numbers. Already 1 is there, not possible. 2 numbers means here it is possible. Then what is the, all the numbers are facing center. So what is the right side of 2? 5. Then here if 2 is there here, 2, 3 we are writing here, the remaining odd number is 7 here. So for right side smaller number is coming and left side bigger number is coming. So this is contradiction to 7th hint. So 2 can't come here. So 7 can't come here. 3 can't come here. Then which place is left for 2? Here. If I write 2 here, then after 2 places 3. Here not possible. From here this side we will say. Here 3. Then here the number left is 7. Now we'll see whether this 7th hint is satisfied or not. The right side is 7 and left side is smaller number. So this is correct. Now what number is left? 6. We can write 6 here. So like this we complete. Now coming to the 4 and 8. Now this we have to see 2 and 8 we have to write. 1 and 4 is not possible. We have seen. So 2 and 8. So here we must write 8. And according to hint 4, here 4. So the circle is completed. If once the circle is completed, we can answer any bit given depending on this sum. 1, 8, 3, 6, 5, 2, 7. Let us meet again with other sum or other puzzle. Till then, bye.